Hi guys, it's me. I'm Sani. So happy. Ha ha ha. Nipa. I'm gonna eat ya. I'm gonna eat ya. Ah. Love him. Man, you think I'm cute, PN? Renzato, you really think so? Pathetic. Just eat it up. Eat it. Fuck the world. Yeah, die. Get squashed. Hi guys, it's me. I'm Sani. Everyone, Taichou ni keirei. Hup. I can't. My hand can't even reach my keirei. Phew. I did this pose in when I was making my thumbnail for this. I went into a green screen room and I was like, what kind of poses can I do? And for some reason, I settled on this. For some reason. It's like Ginyu Force. This is so awesome, right? So happy. Ha ha ha. Nipa. Happy Sani. This is me asserting dominance on you. This is my regular face when I'm just chill. I'm just, hey, what's up? Yeah. If you piss me off. What'd you say? Just because I'm short in my chibi form doesn't mean I'm short for real, okay? Grab the camera. Hey guys, just recording my vlog today. It's my third day trapped on the Nijisanji Express. I don't know why it never stops and I'm just stuck on this train forever, but hey, it's not that bad. Look, we got a massive cake here. See the cake? Looks good. There's chairs with Salem fan for some reason. Damn, it's hot in here. Getting steamy, moving around in this VR gear. I'm gonna eat ya. I'm gonna eat ya. Ah. Ah. Yummy. Party. Throughout the night, party time. Woo! Yeah. It's harmless. It's just paper confetti, okay? Stop whining about it, huh? You're not scared of a little paper, are you? You're not scared of a little paper, are you? Oh, Sani, stop shooting confetti at me. It's scary. That's you right now. Pathetic. Me? Look, I don't even give a fuck. Whatever, man. You? When stop it, scary. Silence. Pug! Stop, it hurts, Pug! Stop, this unpug. Weird. Get out of here, man. They have a sunny pillow too, look. It's me, I'm Gyudon Sani, Donburi Sani. See? I'm just a bowl of rice. Yummy. I can't see what's on the screen. I can't. Can you lift me up so I can play the video game? Is that okay? I want to play. Can make an angel like this. Thanks again everyone for coming, by the way. Really appreciate you. This is awesome. This is kind of a big deal for me to be like this in 3D, looking so cute, and I just want to thank you all. Mwah. You can do this. Yeah. Hey. Hang on. Love. It's so hard to make that pose. Love it. Boom. Can I floss? Whoosh. Hell yeah. Is that what you want to see, you Zoomers? Ren, you think I'm cute? Ren, you think I'm cute? Pian, Ren's Auto, you really think so? Thank you. You're the man, Ren. Thank you. You get free Negi. All you can eat Negi if you subscribe gold. Here, eat up. Eat up. Eat it. It's good, isn't it? You're gonna sign up for a gold membership, right? You will, right? I knew you would. Nipa, thank you. You guys are the best. You're my favorite customer. Hi, we have squids for sale. If you like, they're really good. You should have one. We have another flavor of squid if you want as well. These ones don't taste as good, so we're selling them for free. You can just take this one if you want, or you can have this one and pay for it. Choice is yours. Dong, dong, dong. Look at this fucking drum. You see this thing? You smack the dragoon's butt. Dong, dong. 君を見てるといつもハートドキドキドキドキドキドキ Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Psh, psh, fuck the world! Yeah! Die! Psh, wow! Rock and roll! Rock and roll! Yeah! Ah, rock and roll! Yeah! Let's just pretend that you were up there. And I'm gonna throw this snowball, okay? Here it comes. Hey! I missed. Hey! Hey! Gotcha! You splash down there. Fuck you! Hey! Excuse me, One-chan, can you give me the money up there? I really want it. I can't reach it. I'm not big enough. Maybe if I... Hey. I got it. Hey. Do you know where the money is? I gotta sniff it out. Get squashed. You're so tiny, like a bug to me. Look, I finally got my ahoge. It stands out. I mean, I already have an ahoge, but I like that it stands out more in this model. It's a bit more exaggerated, and it's floofy. In this hand, I have a little brisket at. And look, did you see this? Did you get a load of this? That's crazy. Let go. Oh, Jesus, strong suckers on that thing. And I think also if I'm holding this and then it gets angry too. That's kind of cute. Maybe just a little bit. Let's feed him a negi, huh? Little negi in here. Eat up. That is your mouth, right? Is this is this the right place to put it? I'm gonna put it in. Like,